Today's daily power prescription is a lesson everyone needs to hear right now. Let nature nurture. A recent study reveals 6 in 10 Americans have a new appreciation for nature since quarantine began. It's evident with skyrocketing bicycle sales, paddle boards, and golf equipment booms. There's even been a 22% uptick in binoculars for bird watching. The benefits of being outdoors is well documented. Not only does it curb that cabin fever, it's been shown to improve memory and focus, lower blood pressure and stress by lowering levels of cortisol, reduce inflammation and hypertension in the elderly, reduce anxiety and depression. So go outside and get some green exercise to boost your mood and physical wellness. It doesn't cost a dime, so you have no excuse. It's as easy as taking a leaf watching walk or hike. Try socially distant rollerblading or bike riding with family and friends, fishing or kayaking, or try an outside fitness class.